As always, again, I don't understand your insistence on my remembrance. What more do we have to tell each other? I remember nothing today. Absolutely nothing. Being too mild. I'm angry at your demand that I remember. Were you not there in all your dark glory? Have you no conception of the horror? I seen horror, and a passion for it disgusts me. You have records. I'm not your military historian. Consult them. Please, don't make an example out of me. If you want the details, there are those of them that would invent freely for you, those that would forgive you. But I am not one of them. I will not talk.